Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting sizes and colors for a clear system. Pick 1/2 or full-size notes for different detail levels. Once done, assign each color a single purpose so you avoid overlap, facts, quotes, or questions. Make sure to place a tiny key on the inside cover listing colors and symbols. Start at the first chapter you study and add 1 or 2 notes now. Immediate action sets the habit and prevents backlog. As you read, write concise summaries or single symbol cues so you capture ideas without slowing flow. Short phrases work best. Then stick each note aligned to the paragraph or line it references. This saves time when you return. Once done with a section, number flags sequentially if you plan to synthesize later and record that number in your key. Make sure to trim or fold oversized notes to avoid damaging the spine and to keep pages turning smoothly. You finish by transferring highlighted points to a master notes page. Use the flag numbers to match context and expand only the most useful entries. Then clean up. Remove or archive sticky notes that you have processed so the book stays readable for future use. If notes peel, reposition near the margin or replace with a fresh adhesive. If they cover text, fold the edge or use a thinner, transparent flag. That troubleshooting keeps the system durable and your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.